Okay, I guess it's rolling. Where is, I'm out in the sun. I can't tell if it's rolling. Well, I'm just gonna start digging. I cannot believe it is November. I don't think we've had a night where it has gotten below 32 degrees. But since the top of my Yacons did frost out a little bit at the tops, I'm gonna at least harvest one of them. And I really, oh, there's a bug going after the light. Get off my camera. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna try this one first. Hopefully there's some tubers down in there. And then I'm gonna taste it. Okay, one, two, okay. I hope they didn't rot. Uh-oh, don't get the camera. Uh-oh, almost got my camera. Okay. Okay. Let's see. There's something going on. I do not have my garden boots. See how the leaves got whatever, brown, but it hasn't gotten below like 32 yet. Look at this grass. Trying to get all this grass out this year so I don't have to deal with it as much next year. Oops. Gets everywhere. Ugh. Okay, I need to come pull this out before it takes hold. Let me see. Let me get it out of here. Let me pull it over here. Okay, well. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let me just dig on. Oh, I see something. Oh, I see something. Josh, oh, this is exciting. Let me see. Uh-oh. Let me get it in here. I should have my boots on, I suppose. Shame on me. I'm having to do all this one-handed. And you're not supposed to be cracking them open, but we'll see. Oh my gosh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What if there's something? Okay, I heard tubers crack. Okay. All right, here's one. That's when you eat. Here's one that you eat. There's two. Okay, here's another one. One, two, three. There really should be tons of them. Alright, so this looks like what I got. Oh my. Look at this. So let me put this here. So I actually got some. Look at that. Look at that. And I can see the little red ones. Okay. Oh, there's more. Look. Oh, I've got some. This is so cool. Man, but it's still dry in here. Think of how much more I could have had I watered it a lot. Oh, wow. Wow, the yow yow. Wow, okay, so that's all I got. But I didn't water it enough. Okay. Let's just look at this. Oh! Do I want to harvest both today? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. But I did get some. Okay, this is my first harvest of Yacons. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna have a little small one probably. Look at these. And there's more in here. Look at that big one. Right there. Look at that. Okay, folks, I'm gonna play with these for a while. I'm so excited. Okie doke. I have harvested one of my Yacons. Here's the other one. And see how at the very tippity top, some of the leaves went brown because it got cold. It didn't get below 32. And it did flower. Hey, sugar, it did flower. And here's the harvest I just did. Look at that and look at that. So I got a few, and then I've got more to plant for next year and then to share. And let me taste these things. This is the first taste. See them? They're white. This was a small one. Okay. Well, mine is not sweet, but it does taste like an apple, or got the texture of an apple. I can't say that I'm completely thrilled. That kind of tasted like a carrot. I'll eat it, but I'm not thrilled. It's not thrilling me, but I grew it. Oh, and look at my little salad bar. And there's a Jaja girl doing what she does best, staying comfortable. But see, I've got my little salad bar starting up. So I've pretty much got a salad every day if I want it. It smells good right here. Oh my goodness. And then that, I'm pretty proud. I'm proud, Jaja girl. I'm proud. Wrapping up the Yacon video, you're supposed to let them cure for about up to 2 weeks and they get sweeter. You're supposed to put it in a sunny window and not let them get wet, so don't wash them off. And I'll knock some of the dirt off when it's dry. And let's see, get you out of the way. Here is you can't really tell, but that's pink. That's a little bit pink, and then I've already pulled 2 out that you can see I've potted up. And this I think I'm gonna put back in the ground. See, it's already trying to grow another thing. So anyway, if we have an exceptionally warmer winter, which anything's possible these days, who knows, this may survive. Now, if I was strong enough to break this into 2, I would break it into 2, but I can't do that. So I'm just gonna plant the whole thing back. Should probably knock off this at the bottom, shouldn't I? Nope, I'm gonna put it right back in there like it is. That's what I'm gonna do. You gonna get in my way? Is it running, sweetie? Are you in my way? Is it running, sugar? I can't see. Oh, I think it is. Okay. Ooh, round 2. This is my second Yacon, I think is how you say it. Sweetie, please don't knock over my camera. And I guess since I've got it all in the viewfinder, I just dump my papers and stuff that I get from the house, my trash, my compostable trash. I just dump it in my garden, and it's called composting in place. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta get something. Let me get something. Hey, sugar girl. Chop these back so I can get to it. Uh-oh. I bet they're gonna fall on my camera. Ow, my arm. My arm. My arm. Okay, my batteries bleeped out before, but this is my second Yacon harvest. So I don't think that's too bad. And then, let me put this over here. These are where the tubers are. You can see these red things, a little round at top. And then these were all attached to the bottom. And here's my Yacon plant. Hey, sugar girl. But anyway, these are the things that I replant. So I've got a couple of those. And probably some I can give away. So I need to get out and figure this out too. Hey, Zuzu. Hey, girl. Up under my feet, as always.